All right, Dom. I'm looking at your website here, and I see why you reached out for help. And I'm glad you reached out for help. All right, I'm going to tell you three things that you can do to your website today that's going to help you get ranked and help you start getting more customers to your site. All right, we're going to talk about content, we're going to talk about backlinks, and we're going to talk about citations. That's three free things that you can do today to your website and help get it going. Or you can hire me to do it because that's what I do, and you ain't got to worry about it. But I'm going to give you a couple options here. All right, the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. Now, looking at your site, Google likes to see between 1,000 to 2,000 words on the homepage, and you can see we're nowhere near that. So I copied and pasted all your words on your home site over here on this word counter tool, and you got 84 words on your home page. Now, another thing I did, I looked you up on Google, and you're in Hampton. So I went off your top competitor in Hampton, and your top competitor in Hampton is Kevin Owens bailbonds. Now let's go over here and take a look at his site. Now here's Kevin Owens bailbonds out of Hampton. Now you can see he's got pictures on his site. He's got more content on his site, but just for shits and giggles, let's go ahead on and do his word counter because he doesn't have that many words on here on this site on his front page. All right, so he's got 351 words on his front page. So that's nothing. Like I said, Google typically likes to see between 1,000 and 2,000 words on that home page. Another thing we're going to talk about that's your content, and your content, is words as well as pictures. So you got this picture here. I'm just going to click save as. You got BBB logo. So another trick for the trade, instead of putting the BBB logo up there, you could name this picture. You could put a keyword behind this picture. And keywords are also going to help you get ranked on Google. Let's go over here to Arabs. This is another tool that I use. This helps me break down your website. Um, Now this DR score and UR. So the UR, it shows the strength. It shows your strength. So the strength of your URL. That's what the UR score is. Your DR, that's your domain rating. So it shows the strength of your website through your backlinks. So this is kind of like how much the website trusts your backlinks. So as you can see, you have no backlinks, you have no referring domains, no organic keywords, which is resulting in this right here: traffic zero, traffic value zero. So that's what I was talking about your keywords. But the good thing is, I can come over here, which I did, and I put in the other dude in Hampton, the number one guy in Hampton. I put his site in here. Now see, he's got a 13 UR score and a 0.4 DR score. This is not going to be hard to beat whatsoever. He's got 115 backlinks, 14 referring domains, 114 organic keywords, which is resulting in this right here. So he's getting about 98 clicks per month, which is resulting in a little over 1,000 a month just off this right here. This is nothing, this is nothing, this is nothing, and this is nothing. I'm going to show you why. I'm going to go in here. I can look at his keywords. So I can go in here and see what keywords he's getting ranked for. And guess what? I'm going to come in here and I'm going to borrow these same keywords that he's getting ranked for. So Bellbond Newport News, he's getting 150 clicks per month off that. Newport News Bondsman. So these are keywords that I was talking about. Like you could go in there and put, instead of Newport News behind your picture, you could put Bell Bonds Hampton behind your picture, or name your picture Bell Bond Hampton. So that's learning about naming your pictures. and putting things behind your pictures to help you get ranked. It's all about getting ranked on Google, bro. But give me just a second, and I'm going to be right back with a proposal for you, show you what I can do for you versus what you can do for you. All right, Dom, I'm back. What I got for you? Keyword research. It's going to be about $300, and this is the homie hookup. So don't go telling your fellow business owners about these prices, because these prices are nowhere near what I normally charge. But keyword research is going to be $300, and that's just what it is. It's keyword research. It's the keywords that I was telling you about. It's going to get you ranked. It's going to get that traffic coming to you instead of your competitor. It's going to get money in your pocket. All right, the GMB booster. Now, what that is, this is a one-time deal, and what I do on the GMB booster, I'm going to do local SEO audit, which is pretty much what this is. I've already done that, but I'm going to do Google My Business optimization for you. I'm going to geotag 10 images. Well, I'm going to get you 10, at least 10 images, and then I'm going to geotag them. So that means I'm going to go in there, I'm going to put those keywords behind those images that I'm going to put on your page. I'm going to go in and check out your social accounts, your social media accounts. I'm going to do domain authority stacks. I'm going to do a press release. I'm going to do a basic map stack. Think this one comes with about 8 GMB posts. So Google My Business posts. I'm going to get you a Google My Business or a Google Business site. And then I'm going to do 6 Google My Business Q&As. And then I'm going to add a product description. Now that's a one-time deal. Now the SEO package, this is a monthly thing, and it's $750 a month. Normally I charge 10% per customer that you get, but the basic that I can do on the SEO package is $750 a month. Now I don't care if you go out there. I just told you I did 10%. So if you go out there and you make $12,000, that's $1,200 to me. I'm just going to charge you that $750. The SEO package. This is just the basic passage, by the basic passage package. By the way, I'm going to do the citations, and I'm going to audit your keywords. I'm going to do analysis on the initial rankings, report meta title and description for a 3-page heading. I'm going to do tag optimization images. I'm going to duplicate the content. I'm going to do a duplicate content check. Make sure I don't have the same content in there. And then the biggest thing for this one monthly is a responsiveness report. So along with that responsiveness report, I'm going to go in there and show you how much traffic you're getting, and I'm going to make sure that your website is optimized. So, optimized for the responsiveness. So, how when you click on a website, you don't want it to take forever to load up. You want it to load up right then and there. So that's what the responsiveness checkup is. All right, this is what I could do for you if I just start from scratch and build you a whole website. All right, the whole website is going to be $3,000. What that's going to include is 10 pages. Your homepage is going to have, I'll probably put more than 1,000 words, but basic, I put 1,000 words. I'm going to give you an about page, which is going to be 250 words. I'm going to give you a contact page, which is going to be 250 words. And then I'm going to give you 7 more pages of service or location pages, and that's going to be 500 words. What that is, so I could either break it down and do service, what you do, but no, I'm going to break it down in location pages because you want to dominate Hampton Roads. So I'm going to go in there and I'm going to make you a Norfolk page. I'm going to make you a Portsmouth page. I'm going to make you a Virginia Beach page. I'm going to make you a Hampton page. I'm going to make you a 7 cities page. So if anybody goes up there, say they're in Virginia Beach and they say, Bell Bondsman, Virginia Beach, your page is gonna click. Your page is gonna be ranked over there on that Virginia Beach page because I put that Virginia Beach keyword behind it. So this is what I could do. If we rebuild your site, about $2,800 to rebuild it, but I would just do the I would start over because you're gonna get a whole lot more if I just build it from scratch. And like I said, these prices are your prices, so don't tell everybody, what I'm charging you to do this. Because I normally, like, for a whole website, 10 pages, it's probably about a $7,500 to a $9,000 page that I'm about to build you. But let me know, man. All right, thanks.